going to show a video of the trunk operation and the gaps. Okay, this is, as you can see, dropping the lid. The lid is secure. There is your gap. Bottom of the gap will require some lead work. The top sits very nicely. If you recall the previous pictures where this was hammered in extensively, that has all been lifted out. This top panel, which was full of lead, has all been raised. The back panel here, this whole back panel has been bent out to fit the body. They had the trunk lid completely full because the body didn't sit flush. The deck lid sat in, so therefore they had to build the deck lid out to make it sit flush to this panel. As you see, I left the panel in ever so slightly because all the lead work that is going to be done across the bottom will end up coming out onto the body, so we'll metal file all the lead work across the bottom, not only to have a perfect transition here, but then also to have a perfect gap, because the gap gets wide in the middle. So we are at the stage where the trunk fits exceptionally nice. The length, the height, the gaps, the rear panels sit flush to the rear trunk lid on both sides. Exceptionally nice. If anything, the trunk lid is sitting just a smidge higher on this side, which we can correct with a little repair on the taillight pocket. So pretty much the back end of the car from the doors forward is done, with the exception of leading and then plastic repair. Tomorrow the back window will go back into the car and we will be off to fitting the surround of the body to the back window stainless to make sure that our height and our gapping is correct.